time to feed the birds. It's very windy out here, so I may get blown away. There's one down here already. Probably have to put some new shells on Friday. Don't need no new shells on. My houses need refilling though. Seed does, peanuts do, they do, bowls do, mealworms. Still looks all nice and tidy in there. Let's get the peanuts filled. The peanuts filled. There was loads this morning down here. Something made them all jump, and I think there must have been 13 fly off into the bushes. They like the bushes because they can go and hide if they're scared. Something though, was making a nest in my head. I don't want to put too much out because I'll feed them once more before we go away on Friday. Just to keep them going over the weekend. They seem to like this seed. And I was worried that they weren't going to like this seed. They do like it. Mr. Producer wants to get another one of these tables, and then he says what he's going to do is build like a run across for my squirrels. It's a lot of seed, isn't it? I've got to fill this up as well. I really filled this up last time, didn't I? I'm sure I filled that last time as well. I never used to fill it that much. Right, so we want something else to go on the tables next. Putting sunflower seeds out. They seem. I'll just stick with sunflower seeds. Just stick with sunflower seeds. Till this bag's empty, and then we'll go with something else. Something different. Fill up the mealworms. Spilled mealworms. We don't need any shells, do we? We don't need a block. What was it next? We need some bowls. We need some bowls. I like it when I put a luxury one in. It's there. Don't go walking into the aqua prop. What was it, Phil? So, just them to film. Or should I leave them? No? Leave them, because if I'm refilling on Friday, I might as well let them go down, haven't I? Yeah. We'll do that. My balls. I'm gonna end up falling in there one of these times. You can see it. So there we go. Birds all fed. Why are we coming the caravan put? On my caravan. Yes. So my birds are all fed, so that's good. Still haven't got one of those holder ones to go on the other one with that. And it's driving me a bit insane. I'm going to end up putting the other block one up and putting another block in at this point. I might do that for the weekend actually. But yeah. So the birds will be having a feast again. They will. Don't forget to give me a like, give me a subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram, Adelesexyuk. Come on over to check out my other bird feeding ones over on my Patreon. There are 4 easy ways to get there. You can Google me, Adelesexyuk Patreon. You can check to see if the link's at the bottom, but it's an over 18, so it probably won't be. Or you can use the links that are on my Twitter and Instagram, Adelesexyuk. Goodbye for now.